people send me this mini tank. So the point of use tank is about 2.5. Got some dust on it because I live on a just off of a paved road, but gets dust on that dirt road part. And they wanted me to see how that worked and what I think of it. First of all, this doesn't draw very much. It has 2.7 gallons, so you could use it in your kitchen sink because you're not going to generally use it unless you wash a lot of dishes, that many gallons of hot water. So in this case, it's for a barbershop that they just want to be able to have some hot water at a remote place. So all I have to do is bring the cold water over and then split off some to go into the water heater itself and then tee over and get them regular cold water. And they have cold and hot with just one pipe coming over. And because it's 120 volt, you can just plug it in. It's only 12 amp. That's not much at all. 1440 watt, and it does 6.8 gallons per hour. That's pretty good. So you could do this. It would probably be cooking a complete 2.7 every 30 minutes. For sure have that. So they're always safe. Generally, they're always safe on it. It says recovery time 90 degrees, 6.8 per hour. Alright, has all these instructions. Let's open it up. There's your instruction manual, how to use it. Pretty good, kind of self-explanatory. We have a pressure relief valve. And this is the part that goes around the bottom of it. This is your tape that you put on it. That's pretty thoughtful of them. I don't have to use my own or pipe dope. There is the water heater. There is where this is going to go. All right, now you pull this thing out. We'll take a closer look at it. Not heavy at all. You can put this just about anywhere. This is what it looks like. You have off, minimum, all the way to max. All the appropriate things to tell you don't watch out, it's hot. You don't want to plug it in on before you have water in it, so that's always a key with water heaters. You don't want to turn it on before it has water in it because they'll just burn it up. They call this a storage electric water heater. Okay, it's storing water. Its maximum pressure is 1.34 MPa. Max, yeah. So anyway, it'll take a lot. And here we go. We're going to take these things off. We're going to do PEX, so we're going to end up doing a female adapter on that. On both of them. We'll put pipe dope on it, on these threads. That will be, and we'll put it on tight. Then we'll take this off and put the pressure relief valve in. All right, now we took these little covers off this water heater. We took them off. And we're going to put 2 female adapters. That's what it looks like. Threads, half-inch threads on this end, PEX on that end. All right, and I'm going to put pipe dope on the threads. You can put tape. Kind of seals and makes it easier to get it tight. And the pressure relief valve goes right here. So we're gonna need a pair of channel locks or 2, probably 1 pair. This little bushing here goes like this or around that, like so. So we'll do that. Put some pipe dope on the threads of this. Now the gentleman here, he's more than capable of doing this himself, but he's just really busy. And he's a little bit worried that he might make a mistake. He knows I probably won't, but he also knows I'm not perfect. So when I stop making mistakes, I'll be dead. All right, then we put these female adapters, we put the pressure relief valve on. He wants to go ahead and do the rest of that. He just wants me to get it to this point. This thing is ready to be put over there. But before we do, I think what I'd like to do is put a little short piece on. This is an Apollo stainless steel crimper. Got this at Home Depot. Now on this, I'm going to put a T. That's going to go toward the water heater. Or toward the sink, I should say. Need a longer piece than that, so let me have the one I've been cutting off there. So if you notice there's little bumps right back here, that's to keep it from being too close to the surface with the back of this probably being hot. Also means you probably could lay it on its side. I don't see any reason why not. But now I've put the T in for the cold's going to come down here, and cold's going to go to the sink, and then the hot's coming out here and go to the sink. We'll do that in just a minute. But right now I'm going to move it over so we can put a pretty short piece on for the cold side.